Good morning, everybody. This is just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, November the 27th, 2022, at our usual time of 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Today's topic, well, lots of things. We're going to talk about some Christmas things. We're going to talk about the pop-up sow day that happened yesterday. If you missed it, your loss. We're going to talk about what you're doing for Christmas decorating now that the hubbub of American Thanksgiving and Black Friday are all over. What are your plans? Have you already started decorating, or do you leave it to the last minute? Do you have a real tree, a fake tree? Do you have some traditional things that you do for decorating, or are you very modern or very matchy-matchy? We're going to talk about all of that. We're going to talk about if you got any deals on Black Friday, if there were any deals to be had, and a whole bunch of other things, I am sure. We'll just let the conversation flow. So I hope you can join us. That's today, Sunday, November the 27th, 2022, at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. See you then. Bye-bye.